Hey, and welcome back to my channel. This is Oriel with O Customs. Thank you for coming to Craft with O. If this is your first time here, welcome, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are returning, thank you for coming back. So we're getting ready to get into this video, and yes, we are redoing this video because there's a lot of people that like to use iPhones, iPads, tablets, and things of that nature. So this video is showing how you would do it from there. First thing you're going to do is start by opening up your Cricut Design Space, and you're going to hit a blank canvas. And then what we're going to do is to move on to learn how to upload an image. So you're going to click right there where that plus symbol is, and then you will go to select from photo library, and then it should take you to your phone area where you should be able to upload the image. As you click on it, and then from there we will move on to removing the background. It's the same way I showed you on a thing. You can blow it up or leave it. You're going to click on the white spots to remove it. Then you're going to hit the smooth button, and when you're hitting the smooth button, you're going to kind of play around with the numbers right there and bring it up, down, whichever works best for the design that you're working with at the time. Now, you can play around with it, go up, go down, but when you are ready to see the progress and how it really looks, although you can see it there, you're going to hit those three dots at the top and view as the original or single layer. And then from there, you can go ahead and apply it. You're going to save it as whatever file name you want, and then you're going to click that upload button to upload it. As you can see, it's not as bad as it was when we did the very first one. Um, when we uploaded it to our computer on Cricut Design Space, if you've seen that video. Then, if you want to, you can also upload it this way, which is we're going to head on over to Canva to get ready to do that tutorial. So let's get into Canva. So now what you're going to do is you're going to follow the same steps that you would from your computer, but instead you're going to go to upload files. When you click on that, it's going to open up your photo gallery, and when you do that, you're going to go ahead and click on the photo that you want. And as you can see, when I upload it, it's going to have the white background because I actually went with the original photo, again, just to show you the process. So now that you have it open, I'm going to add a secondary page, but you can just use the main page and upload it. And once your image is uploaded, what you're going to do is to click on the white space and then click on above to change the color background so you can actually see your work. I'm going to use purple. And then you're going to click back on the actual image, and then from there you're going to click edit up at the top, or background remover first. Either way you can get there. After you remove the background, you can see I'm going to click edit, and I'm just going to remove that M that's just kind of hanging out at the bottom, and we're going to use magic eraser to do that. And you're just going to erase it, click on it, and kind of just drag the mouse back and forth, and then you're going to hit the erase button for it to remove itself. After you've done that and you've erased it, click that X button, and then it's going to take you right back to your work. Now what you're going to do is, if you want, you can tidy it up a little bit. That's what I tend to do most of the time. But then what you're going to do is you're going to click back in somewhere within that purple space, and then you're going to change the background back to white. And that's important because you want your background to end up being transparent. So you're going to then click on that share button, and then you're going to download it. If you only have the one page, it's only going to show the one page, but because I have two, it's going to ask me which one. But you want to make sure it's on PNG, and you want to make sure that that transparent button is purple and checked, and then you're going to go ahead and download it, and then we are going to name it and repeat the same process that we did on the computer. So now once it downloads, you're going to get the pop-up screen, and you hit save image. Sometimes you don't have to. And now we're just going to repeat the same process and uploading it to Cricut Design Space. So what you're going to do is you're going to just choose that transparent image again, and we are going to upload it just the same as we did before. As you can see, everything looks good on there. You're going to click single layer again, and Okay, so you're probably wondering why this is still up on the screen, because what happened was it had slight grains in it, but not as bad. So what I did was I went, re-downloaded it. But this time, although it has a transparent background, you're just going to click the erase button twice and then hit the smooth button and literally put it at 1 point. So that way it all rounds out. Then you're going to hit that apply button. So if you ever see little sparks, like little pieces, that's what you do. And then you just upload it the same way. And then this time when you see it, you're going to see that it looks perfect. No little spots or splices on there, as you can see. So if you definitely found this video helpful, please don't forget to comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like I said, I hope it was helpful. And thank you for watching.